If you come late, you miss all this. If you attend, you saw the stage, the dais, and chiefs. You remember well. So further, concentrating on the topics, the daily activities like that. So, what are the initiatives of to conduct a performance? Number one is the regular one. Number two is what all it is special, it is also regular one. Number three is presentation itself. Without which it is not a complete lecture. Some fellows are outside the system. They are in the vicinity of system from the prior, and they are at other places. There the impact of system is very low comparatively. Learning is a eternal process. It won't stop. With that idea, he again came back to system. So all are same. When we concentrated on the extent of fruits, what our nation, our system taught us, gives us, in the supervision of, we are all doing these duties. Gender inequality. State government syllabus, central syllabus, combined studies, with that the gender inequality lends. All are same people doing same